As a franchisor, you've got to make sure you make the right decision because you're impacting those franchisees. We want to give them a system that is seamless, easy to learn, and they can really hit the ground running and become profitable very quickly. So we went through a very exhaustive process to identify what company could meet our needs, and through that whole process, Avionté rose to the top. What Avionté does for us is it really keeps us up to date on current technology and really lets us see what's coming in the future and allows us to focus on staffing, and they take care of our technology. When you think about staffing, you think about technology, there are two different pieces. If I'm a technologist, but I've never been a recruiter, I don't know what happens on the desk. So what I've seen Avionté do is they pull the inside and the outside together and go, okay, I think this is our flow, but you walk me through your flow. Let me see it. It's not just great technology, but it's technology that's been written for the recruiter or the salesperson. They're willing to help us with anything from documentation to training to support to giving us whatever resources we need to help people feel comfortable because they know it's all about adaptation and getting people to really engage in the software. They are there. If I have an issue, I can catch them, whether it's on a cell phone, on email, Teams call. They make themselves accessible. Avionté is so willing to work with you and where you are and adapt where you are to where they are and help bring you along in the journey. So that partnering and that working together, that's a huge difference.